Are you facing issues with Safari not working on your iPhone? Safari is one of the most important apps for browsing the web, so when it stops working, it can be quite frustrating. Common problems may include pages not loading, Safari freezing, or frequent clashes. Here is a guide to help you troubleshoot and fix the issue. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the control center and turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Open another app like YouTube to check if the internet is working. Safari may not load pages properly if the internet connection is unstable. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and website data. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, and tap Safari. Scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping Clear again. Clear cached data can help if Safari is loading outdated or corrupted information. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get Safari working smoothly again. If the problem persists, you may need to contact Apple support for further assistance.